celebration started last August 2025, given that we're celebrating our 40 years dito sa school, and nag-start siya as 40 degrees uprising nung last August nga po, and then we want to cap this celebration given na meron kaming mga lineup of activities which we gave the students, the stakeholders, and the community of SPCF the boldest and biggest lineup of activities. We selected the lineup, or we determined rather, based on the trends, based on what the students wanted, the public wanted, the stakeholders, and as well as the community of SPCF, and pati yung mga outsiders na rin who consistently supports the events and projects of our institution.
Kasi po-perform nila celebrate empowerment, confidence, and rising together.
Iniintay ko po yung 4 of Spades and si Maki po.
Si Maki din po, saka si Rob.
Si Maki po and Angela Ken po.
Hi, I'm Daniel Benafe, and I am here looking for Maki, 4 of Spades, and Rob Daniel. For 4 of Spades, I'm looking for Mundo. And for Maki, Saan?
Four of Spades po.
Evos po.
Mundo po.
For me po, kabisado po.
SPCF is not just about giving the best or better academic excellence to the students, but as well as for them to realize that we can offer much greater or much better activities and lineup of activities for the students that can enjoy, not only the students but as well as the community here in Pampanga who can visit the school. And we've been consistently opening the events of SPCF to the public para ma-experience din nila kung paano nagse-celebrate ang SPCF ng activities. We would like to thank the people who have been consistently supporting us, and we would like to see you next year sa SPCF Fair 2027. Ano, tara?